Today, I'm showing you how to create custom stickers on WhatsApp using your own photos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and open any conversation where you want to send a sticker. Step 2. Access Sticker menu. Tap the sticker icon on the right side of the message text box. It looks like a square smiley face. Step 3. Create new sticker. Tap the plus sign or create option at the top of the sticker menu to create a new custom sticker. Step 4. Select Photo option, if prompted to create a sticker from an existing image on your device. Step 5. Choose your image. Browse through your device's camera roll or gallery and select the image you want to turn into a sticker. Photos with clear subjects work best. Pictures of people, pets, objects, or anything with a distinct main subject are ideal. Step 6. Select sticker style. Once you've chosen your image, WhatsApp will automatically analyze it and provide multiple design options at the bottom of the screen. You'll typically see several versions, including the full original image as is, the main subject with the background automatically removed, and various cutout styles. Swipe through these options and tap the version you like best. The background removal feature uses AI to automatically detect and cut out the main subject, which works great for creating clean, professional-looking stickers. Step 7. Customize your sticker. Now you can personalize your sticker using the editing tools at the top of the screen. Add text, tap the AA icon to add text to your sticker. Type your caption or phrase, then drag it to position it where you want. You can also change the font style and color. Add emojis. Tap the emoji icon to place emojis anywhere on your sticker. You can resize and rotate them by pinching and dragging. Draw or doodle. Tap the pen icon to draw freehand on your sticker. Choose different colors and brush sizes to add creative touches, highlights, or decorations. These editing tools work the same way as WhatsApp's regular image editing features, so if you've edited photos before, it'll feel familiar. Step 8. Preview your sticker. Take a moment to review your sticker and make sure it looks exactly how you want. You can zoom in to check details and make final adjustments. Step 9. Send your sticker. When you're happy with your custom sticker, tap the arrow icon in the bottom right corner to send it to your chat. Your sticker will appear in the conversation immediately. Step 10. Access your sticker later. Once you've sent a custom sticker, it's automatically saved for future use. Open the sticker menu in any conversation and look at the top in the Recently Used section. All your custom created stickers appear here, so you can easily reuse them in different chats without having to recreate them. Create multiple stickers. You can create as many custom stickers as you want. Each one you send gets saved to your sticker collection, building up a personalized library of stickers unique to you. And that's it. You've successfully created custom stickers on WhatsApp using your own photos. Now you can personalize your conversations with unique stickers made from your favorite images.